Welcome to Word Family Readers Learn to Read videos, Lesson 12. For this lesson, I will be using Book Kit 12. This is it. This book kit is one of 25 free Word Family Reader book kits. To get these free book kits, go to this URL or scan this QR code. You may pause the video to do so now. At the beginning of each lesson, we will review vowels that you have already learned. When you see letters or words in a frame, that means that you say them when I repeat them. A, apple, apple. E, egg, egg. Next, we will review words that have been taught in previous lessons. Remember to say the review words with me when I repeat them. A, the, was. You will later read these words in the book for today's lesson. They will appear in large black print. Next, you will listen to the book. As I read the book, I will point out family words and sight words that you will learn in this lesson. Family words such as it, fit, and hit are in large red print. Sight words such as this, is, and does are in large blue print. Now enjoy listening to this book. This is it. The doctor was carrying a kit. This is it. This piece does fit. The ball player made a hit. This is it. This piece does fit. The superdog rescued a puppy from a pit. This is it. This piece does fit. The boy finished the race. He did not quit. This is it. This piece does fit. Did you hear lots of words that rhyme with the word family it, like fit, hit, and kit? Those are family words. Before learning the family words, you'll need to learn the word family. And before learning the word family, you'll need to learn the vowel sound. Our vowel sound for this lesson is I. Remember to say the letters and words with me when I repeat them. I, igloo, I, igloo. I. Our vowel sound is I. Next, you will learn the word family. The word family for this lesson is it. I, igloo, I, igloo. Tent, tent. It. Whenever I use this frame, I'll say the letter sounds just once, so say the sounds with me. It. Our word family is it. Now you are ready to learn many family words. Spread out your word picture cards, point to or hold the card that I place on the board. Remember to say the letters and words with me when I repeat them. The first family word is it. It. That is the same as the word family. It. Our word is it. Fit. Fit begins with F. F, firefly. F, firefly. Fit. Fit. Our word is fit. Hit. Hit begins with H. H, hut. H, hut. ha, it, hit, ha, it, hit, ha, it, hit. Our word is hit. Kit, kit. Kit begins with K. K, k, kick. K, k, kick. K, it, kit. K, it, kit. K, it, kit. Our word is kit. Pit, pit. Pit begins with P. P, p, pail. P, p, pail. P, it, pit. P, it, pit. P, it, pit. Our word is pit. Quit, quit. Quit begins with Q-U. Q-U, qu, queen. Q-U, qu, queen. Qu, it, quit. Qu, it, quit. Qu, it, quit. Our word is quit. Now we'll go over the family words on the word slide. All of these words rhyme with fit. Say these words with me. The word family is our first word. The word is it. Then fit, hit, kit, pit, quit. Next we'll learn the sight words. We have 3 sight words for this lesson. The first one is. Is. We don't sound out the word, we just say the letters in the word. I-S is. I-S is. Our word is. This. T-H-I-S. This. T-H-I-S. This. The word is this. Does. D-O-E-S. Does. D-O-E-S. Does. The word is does. We have worked on 9 words today. Yay! Now you can read the book with your teacher or with me. You will read the words in large print, and your teacher and I will read the words in small print. If you need help with a word when reading with your teacher, he or she may show you the word picture card to help you get that word. You may read the book with me in the next part of this video. I will place a frame around your words and pause to give you time to read them. Or you may want to read your words along with me. If so, go to the beginning of the video where I read the whole story. Let's get started on reading together. This is it. Doctor carrying piece ball player made piece super dog rescued puppy from piece Boy finished. Race. He did not. Peace. I hope you had fun reading this with your teacher or me. It's okay if you did not read all the words, but please keep on reading, even if it's only one page at a time. Be sure to review your family words and sight words on the word picture cards and the word slide. Keep up the good work. Learning to read is worth it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to email me, Arlene Martin, at wordfamilyreaders@gmail.com.